Hey y'all, this is Aaron at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky, and welcome back to another Wrangler lot walk video. We'll check out the bulk of our Wrangler inventory here on our lot, and thank you guys for tuning in. Let's go check them out. All right, y'all, I'm behind Will on the camera, behind the camera here. Will's manning the camera. We're gonna start off by showing off a couple Jeeps and vehicles in our sold section. So these are just ones that are waiting to be picked up, shipped, all that good stuff. A rare diesel Gobi Gladiator Rubicon here with a really fun color next to it, high velocity, another diesel, by the way. A nice two-door Anvil Rubicon and even a really cool Ford Bronco Raptor next to it as well. As you can see, we do more than just Wranglers and Gladiators, although that is what we specialize in. Now we will kind of move on to the main Wrangler section here, and just as we get started, we have new ones and used ones mixed in here, and we'll kind of walk the length of it, and I'll jump in here and there to talk about some specific ones. See this red one right here? This is what we've been calling the Cross Jeep Special, and you'll see maybe a couple more as we walk through it. It's got a 2-inch AEV spacer lift, upgraded wheels to these black Nomad wheels, and 37-inch tires. And if you see one out here that's stock and maybe has 32s or 33s on there, we have the capability of upgrading and giving it that Cross Jeep Special look. So don't be shy. You know, we'll leave our contact information description below. Here's one that we did on an Anvil white cap. You see the white wheels. We really have one of the largest inventories in the market. And I'll pause right here. This is a Moab 392 that we got in recently. Actually has the power top, which is my wife's favorite feature on a Wrangler. So if you're wanting super easy access to opening the top, one button, do it while you're driving, highly recommend the power top. 392, worn winch, steel bumpers, 470 horsepower, ready to go. And we'll keep on going here down the line. We've stocked up pretty good. Recently we have other Moab 392. And as you can see, different colors, different trim levels. The Rubicon X's have been doing really well for us. And I'll jump in right here, Will. The Rubicon X, basically, if you're not as familiar, all the bells and whistles that one might want from the factory, steel bumper, matching painted fenders. This one has a power top. You can get it with the hard top as well. 35-inch tires, leather, heated seats, power seats, navigation, Alpine premium speakers, front trail cams. So if you're somebody who just wants it ready to go, all the bells and whistles, you don't want to spend more time or money after the fact, I'll go with the Rubicon X. They sell really well for us, even much better than the Sport S, even though it's at a higher price point. But we'll keep checking them out here. Hydro blue, firecracker red, really, really nice options here. And we do about 30 to 40% of our business with out-of-state customers. So a lot of y'all may be watching quite a bit away distance-wise from Louisville, Kentucky. We had just yesterday, we had a customer from Georgia and then also from Fort Wayne, Indiana, more than 3.5 hours away. So definitely don't be shy about reaching out if you see one that you like. And then kind of for more frequent updates on inventory and cool upgrades we're doing, Will mans our other social media channels. So check out our Facebook and Instagram and TikTok. You'll see a lot of cool content coming out on almost a daily basis. It's a nice purple Sahara here. This is an interesting one. So it's a two-door 2016 Sahara. I think it's got like 218,000 miles, but if you're looking for a fun little drive around town, hard top, 3.6 liter V6, I believe, and we got this at $10,000 at last check. So fun little two-door on top of all the other Wranglers that we have. We also do take trade-ins, so if you have a Wrangler, it could be just a couple months old, it could be 10 years old, we'll make it super easy for you, even if you are out of state. Here's another Rubicon X, again, kind of reviewing the same thing that we talked about. All the bells and whistles, if you want that from the factory, ready to go. It's a white cap Sahara, see the white grille. And another white cap coming up. These have been really popular among our customers. And just kind of show it off real quick. You have the white grille, and then on the side you have the white stripes, the white Rubicon. This one's gonna look a little bit different because it has the power top. If you get the one with the hard top, it's gonna be white all the way across the top, which I think is a very sharp look, but seems to be really be picking up in popularity over here at Cross Jeep among our customers. There's definitely one more I want to show you at the end of this row in juice. But like I said, new and used, we have another used one mixed in here with really cool used ones, even under 20K for a 4-door. So definitely check out crossjeep.com for our inventory. I mean, this one almost just needs no explanation. You can look at it and you can tell the white wheels go absolutely perfect with the white top, and just kind of gives it a more complete look. If you're a Tennessee Vols fan, I don't know if there's another Jeep more perfect for you than this. And we'll kind of come to the end of our first row here, and you'll get a bonus in this video, y'all. We're gonna actually go walk through real quick through the second row. So we'll pause the video here and we'll continue in the second row. All right, y'all, on to our second row. We got a nice little 2-door Goldilocks Sport here. And we're gonna weave through the second row a little bit quicker, but just wanted to show y'all not only the vast inventory that we have, but just what's actually currently on the ground and available for sale. This is a new color, Earl, color that they brought back for the 26th year, so I think a lot of customers are gonna like that. Very pretty and pleasant color. And watch your step here, Will. We're gonna walk through. Again, I just want to keep pointing y'all to crossjeep.com where you can see just kind of our full inventory, because we have some Wranglers in the showroom. We have some really cool pieces like the rare Filson edition that's got a V8 Hemi in it. So it's not just the ones out here, and then we get some museum-like pieces as well. It's kind of a tight squeeze, but we'll make it through. And then we also have just a lot of experts here. So if you're kind of new to the Wrangler game and just learning about different trim levels and colors and options, things like that, you know, we definitely have the staff that's able to walk through those things with you to make sure you get one that you like best, that also fits in your budget. We have a really cool 41 edition here, and then followed by the 85th anniversary edition. You can see those blue wheels. They have them on the even on the Grand Cherokees and Wagoneers as well. You can kind of tell by the blue wheels. There are a few more to check out. There's a very fun color coming up. We got Mojito. This is a Sahara with a power top. If you're just wanting kind of a comfort, premium Wrangler experience, smooth like butter around town, Sahara is the way to go. Leather, heated seats, even comes with running boards or side steps already installed. Here's one in white. I think my wife and I, even if we went a little bit fancier with our Wrangler, we'd probably be Sahara people. As cool as our Willys and the Rubicon can look, we just really like that smooth ride around town. We'll finish off with two more here. Looks like we got an Anvil Sahara with a power top. Looks very, very nice. And then I believe this next one, the Willys, is the Extreme Tire Package. Let me take a look here. Yeah, it looks like it's the 35-inch tires from the factory. So if you don't need all the off-road features of a Rubicon, but you want more of an aggressive look and even of a taller look, you can get the 35-inch tires from the factory and just enjoy that ride, enjoy that look without putting any more money into it. But that being said, thank you again, Will, for being behind the camera, and that wraps up our lot walk for July of 2026. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this, and we'll see you guys in the next video.